I have been given the mind of Christ. I am fearfully and am wonderfully made. Okay, you are a strong, independent preacher. James might be a 10, but you are a 14. I'm at our normal venue. Where is everyone?
What do you mean our normal venue? We're in London.
London? London?
Manchester based, but by the grace of God, we're unlimited.
There's no boundaries surrounding our beginning.
And only the Lord can determine our end.
When we see a country